Hi, I'm Peter Vox and I am super excited to be running the Sing Like a Rockstar Techniques to Improve Your Singing Fast workshop at this year's Big Sing Festival, November 10, here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. I have been a professional singing teacher for 27 years and I have taught beginner 4-year-olds all the way through to numerous high-profile professional singers with major label recording and performance contracts. My workshop's going to be super fun and interactive, and I'm going to teach you breathing techniques, give you vocal strength and power, teach you to sing in pitch, just to name a few, so you can sing and deliver songs with confidence. So come and join me and all of the other amazing singing professionals running workshops on a variety of singing subjects at this year's Big Sing Festival!